Hi everyone, I'm Chef Tony with HomeHeadChef, and today I'm going to be showing you how to break down a chicken. To break down a chicken, we're going to need a chicken, obviously, and a nice sharp knife. To get started, we're going to work on the legs. And to do that, we're just going to come in here right where this skin is, give it a little slit, and we're going to separate this. Give it a little pull, and it's going to give us the leg and the thigh. Cut this back just a little bit more. We're going to give this a pop. And right there, right where that bone broke at the joint, we're going to want to give that a slice. Go right through the joint. And just go all the way through. Make sure to get as close to the backbone as you can, because we want to save that oyster meat right here. And there we have our leg and our quarter. And we're going to do that to the other side. For the wings, we're just going to give us a nice little cut through here. Find that joint and just go right through. Just want to be very careful that you don't get any of the breast meat. And next, we're going to separate the breast. We're going to take our knife, run right down the rib cage, just take it right to the end. Now this backbone and everything will make great stock. Now for the breast, we're just going to take it, we're going to turn it over, we'll take our knife and just slit it right down the breastplate. If you have a little bit of a struggle, just give it a little hit and it'll cut right open. There we have some nice, beautiful bone-in, skin-on chicken breast. Now these are great for frying, the rest of these. And now with the leg quarters, if you want to separate the leg from the thigh, we're going to find this little stream of fat right here. If you can feel the joint in between the bones. And we're just going to go right there, and it should easily separate. And just cut all the way through. We have some nice chicken legs, some beautiful chicken thighs, and do that with the rest of them. Now the thing to do is get some of these whole chickens while they're on sale. They're so much cheaper. You can break them down in no time, and you can package them up and freeze them for when you're ready. It's cheaper per piece. In our next video, I'm going to show you how to debone and skin the breast and the thighs. Thanks for stopping in, and we'll see you next time.